Let's add up the baryon number of this. Let's see, this is a, what is that? That is a psi particle, a psi. All right, so psi plus is, that's actually the antiparticle, right? So that's -1. Okay, and then a sigma plus is actually the matter particle, is that right? Oh wait, it's an anti-sigma plus. Oh dear, it's over here. This is tricky. I feel like that's tricky. Okay, so this guy's -1. Okay, and then a lambda naught is here. So that's +1. And then a pion is not a baryon, so that's a 0. Okay, so, and you'll see that in the hadron reference. So if I give you a meson, you know, it's not a baryon, guys. All right, so this adds up to -1. Okay, so just ignore mesons. Since they are not baryons, all mesons have a B equal to 0. They're not baryons, so yeah, anyway, there you go.